Sinomagajeni, I am umagajeni. Umkhosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about a trending video of a spa lady helping herself. Guys, you know man, it's helping herself. Interesting. So there's a video that is currently trending. There's usisi lapho osizayo, but ke usisi lo usisiza emsebenzini. It seems like corner. It's a corner, but uphakathi spa, and she is also wearing a work uniform yakhe, which is impahla zase-spa. So guys, that video has trended, and guys, to be honest, but the allegations they are saying the lady was sending a video yake to a boyfriend yake, then the boyfriend is the one who linked the video. So after that, the lady got fired from work, of which I mean I don't blame the manager, because masiba fair, obviously spa trending into, I mean like spa things, it's not like it's adult stuff, you understand? So ispa things ukudla. So mangabe uzoyenza whatever you are doing ekujabulisa wena nama-feelings wakho emsebenzini, and we know ukuthi it's wrong, guys, understand? So that bathi the lady she got fired, and the sad part is that the lady took her life. So girl but committed suicide, of which is the sad part, because there are also allegations that lady lo unabantwana and abantwana bakhe bathi ukukhula. Guys, mina my opinion on this thing is I don't see anything wrong ayenzile. I don't see anything wrong please yourself. Why it doesn't matter ukuthi or bekazisiza yena cause bekafile as if ufuna ukuzisiza, or bekazisiza ngoba ufuna ukutshengisa i-boyfriend yakhe. It doesn't matter, but I don't see anything wrong lapho. The only part engifila engathi i-wrong from ugirl ukuthi ayenza semsebenzini and arekhode i-video, but ke the person who linked the video, guys, I don't wanna lie, ngifila ngathi kumele aboshiswe, but the allegation says futhi umuntu okhona vele use-prison. So if akekho prison ukhona la ngaphandle, kumele avulele i-case, because uyayibona into ayenzile. Uyayibona lento guys ukuthi senza ama-video sithi sijabulisa ama-boyfriend wethu, and to be honest akusuye kuphela uthatha, there are people who take ama-videos bangagcokanga basendela abantu babo. Ayicala namhlanje lento le, and into engimangazayo ukuthi the video is trending, okay, sharp. Abantu engaba-understand labantu laba abagceka ugirl like this mean comment, guys. Ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi bayacala ubona umuntu oyisizayo aseke nje le part ukuthi angi-understand ukuthi yiphi le part la ugirl khona ayisiza khona kube ngathi it's wrong. It's not like ukuthi ugirl bekazisiza nomntana omncane, you understand? We've seen ama-video aworse, into esiyazi ukuthi this is wrong. But ke bazala bamzitho, you can also comment down below your thoughts. Please comment, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.